Vem para lá fora, tu vai contexto. Espera mais que tire katrepa.
Well. Ubona vele njula ngikanjalo ngade hambayo ufika sebenza.
Sawubona, ngithanda ukubingelela mbukeli igama nguPrince Sivalo Mahlangu unzuza kananasi umhethi masingili. Lapho yimi khona sise Belmont under uChova Mbayiwa, an association yako Bulawayo, which is the oldest association in the city of Bulawayo. It was formed in 1986. So we're here to profile Craig Phakathi, one of the drivers of the association, to look at the daily routine yakhe lokuthi njalo uthanda ukudla kwesintu. Sizakhuluma nje ngembali kaMbayiwa uthi uMbayiwa wasungulwa nini, sikhali nje ama roots uMbayiwa waservice lapho ngoBulawayo. So I'm super excited for this shoot and sizahlala isikhathi esiningi lapho emgwaqweni eMchoveni nje sibona abantu abahlukeneyo, sizaxoxa lobaba uMoyo asitshelelayo imbali ngoMbayiwa. Like I said, it was formed in 1986. Abadala bakwazi ipicture lana yakudala, which is one of their logos now. So yeah, if it's your first time on the show, please subscribe and be part of our family as we document Africa's diverse food culture.
Chova Mbayiwa, one of Bulawayo's oldest taxi associations, boasts an esteemed reputation, deeply rooted in the city's culture, one of peace, quiet, and customer care. Craig Phakathi, a former long-distance driver, began his driving career under the Chova Mbayiwa Association, rising from rank of conductor to driver.
All right, I'm now Craig Phakathi. Ngihlala eLuveve, ngingudriver womchova koChova Mbayiwa. Ngihambele eLuveve leKwabalanda ngisiye town. UChova ngathi ngaqala 2002 ngiqeda isikolo. Ngathi vele ngilamalanga ngiqeda isikolo ngabizwa ngomngane wami ukuthi ngizokuba nguwinde emotweni zangiwo. Then from khonapho into engangiyenza ngenza okunye ngenza okunye. Yikho ngaqalela khona 2002. Ngathi ngiqale 2002 ngachova ngabuyela esikolo. Ngathi ngibuyela esikolo ngazophenduka futhi 2008-9 achova koMbayiwa futhi angachiya, then ngasemphendwa kathesi 2025. Ngathi sengitholile license yami, ngase ngihamba ngifunda ama truck ebanganini. Then 2018 abe ngibizwa omunye umngane wami eGoli, abe ngisiya drivera khona, ngangithwala ama granite from eBrits eNorthwest ngisiya eQueenstown. Queenstown ise Eastern Cape. Then sisuka lapho sasithwala ama drinks ama Twiza from Eastern Cape to Bloemfontein. Then from Bloemfontein to Joburg futhi kwaulo ngamalodi esasikuthwala like miscellaneous. So far yabona kuma association akhona woBulawayo, i-preferred association is usually Chova Mbayiwa because of history yangikhona lapho esuka khona, from ngoboMqabuko Nkomo ekhipha ama-pidgeot efaka amakhombi. So that lokuzenini kwakule control direct control from Nkomo ukuthi wayekhuza ama owners lama workers. So that culture lokhu ikhona. As witness actually ke lakhuluma lo mdalo uAtlas uMoya. Labana ama original Mbayiwa manje, labana babekhona first people koMbayiwa. So kuyi culture khona kana lokho kukhona. Vele ungabona imoto igqoke i-brown badge lamabala koChova Mbayiwa. We respect lokana from umqabuko is still there. It's a culture that's ongoing up to now. And lawe as umuntu kumele ube lobuntu ebantwini. Ube le relationship labantu, ungabe umuntu lwana ukuthi sesaziwa ukuthi lo lihlanya lo yathethisa abantu. So basically uMbayiwa keeps those values.
The culture and values of Chova Mbayiwa reflect Bulawayo's overall beliefs of peace, orderly conduct, respect, and care. Atlas Moyo was instrumental in instilling and maintaining these values within the association.
Mina igama lami ngu-Atlas Moyo, ngikhokhela uJehova Mbayiwa, ngingu-chairman wakho uJehova Mbayiwa. uJehova Mbayiwa waqala ngo-1986 ukuba khona, efonywa sindawonye. uchairman wakuqala wayengupresident wakhona wayengu-David Mfana, owayelandela omunye wethu weHarare owayesekela uMpana, uMafilwanda. Wayengu-vice kuMpana. uMpana wayengupresident weZimbabwe yonke. I-Fijoti 404 yathatha isikhundla sama-Austin J2 lama Thonas. I-Fijoti yasingena yona yazathathelwa iBhili okuza iJehova Mbayiwa. I-Fijoti imoto yayiqine kakhulu esayisisebenzisa ngoba yayisebenza sibili kuhle. Kulapho esaqalela khona futhi ukuthi imithetho yona leyi ingene. uMpana sengene wakhuluma ukuthi hayi, ukuthi sisebenzeni kuhle madoda, asilandeleni umthetho welizwe ukuthi abantu kabathethiswa kabatshayeli. Lani bana bamateksi lingathethisi bantu. Kulapho kwaqalela khona. Fijoti yaba yimoto eqine kakhulu futhi lanamhla nxa ingathiwa iyaphenduka siyayithatha. Sasinjoke khonokho ukuthi nxa singakuba noJehova Mbayiwa osebenza kuhle, sizabamba abantu bonke basebenzi kathi kuhle, sibathwale kuhle, singabathwali ngokubashawuda, singabathwali ngokwenza ezinye izinto, but sibathwale ngendlela efaneleyo, sibukhulise uBulawayo ngoJehova Mbayiwa. Khathesi ngenxa yalokhu obabuya bafaka into kaSithi Council leyo, sisebenzisa wonke ama-route country park, Phumula, Luveve, le-Phumula South, Phumula North, bonke kusiya khonani. Thina uBulawayo simthandela nje ukuthi isiphetho esisenzayo lawo bayasithanda, njalo nathi siyabathanda, and bayamfuna uJehova Mbayiwa, yikho esibathandela khona. Njalo uBulawayo simthandela ukuthi uthuli akalamsindo lomuntu.
For some, the question has always been, how does one get to join this esteemed association?
Uyabuya lapha azekhuluma lami, simjoyinise ukuthi hayi suyingxenye yakhona lawe ngoba imandla yakho ozabe ukukhiphile. Siyamkhuthaza futhi ukuthi nxa ungajoyina la, imota yakho ayiseke yakho sengekaMbayiwa, wena imota singeyakho nxa sibuya endlini, but owakhathesi iyabe singekaJehova Mbayiwa. So yikona bebuya kakhulu bonke belokhu besizanga, abanye baphuma kwamanye amakhampani besizanga.
For Craig, his beliefs strongly align with those of Jehova Mbayiwa.
Basically lokhu nje industry elomuntu anti ukuhloniphana. Umuntu enganhlonipha lami ngimhloniphe. Ungathola isikhathi esiningi mabantu sekufika esigabeni sokuthi bathethisana, umuntu yabe se-overstep i-boundary kancane, yabo. Njengokuthi kuthiwa ihlanganise nga-4-4, omunye uzafuna ukuthi qhube yakhe imali yedwa, omunye qhube yakhe imali yedwa. Sokushotwe yiwani ongabhadalanga, sokudingakala ukuthi kanti ongabhadalanga mbani, sokudalani ingxabano. But basically singaba in song, omunye senze khona okufunakalayo, ngathiwa 4-4 la ndiqhube imali yeni 4-4 amboni, hayi siyahlala singalankinga, sijabula. Njalo mina owami umthetho, ama-customer amfuna ukufika istage sokuthi ngiyaxabana labo. Amfuna ukufika istage ngoba mina wami umsebenzi ukuthwala umuntu ngimbeke lapha yakhona in good time. Yikho kuphela eyami my own rule.
After a busy morning, the drivers retreat to their Belmont depot, where most take the opportunity to rest, clean their cars, and grab a meal.
Ukudla ikakhulu lapha ilokuzeni i-diet yethu i-lunch mostly ngoba i-breakfast from ekuseni sithola abantu up to maybe 11-12 thola abantu bangenisa etown, then 12 susima lawe subamba iline. Ungabamba iline so mele udinga ukudla ongani ujiyile. Mina ngithanda isitshwala lenhloko, isitshwala samabele. ikakhulu brown satsa i-favorite yami le nhloko. Then okunye siyabe simixa kuya ngama-days lokuthi kutholakaleni. Abantu abaningi bagcwele le beef stew labo chicken, but inhloko nxa ikhona isikhathi esiningi engiyiprefer.
These demanding schedules mean that family time is usually disrupted. Bushewe Nkosi is Craig Parati's daughter. Unlike many family members of taxi drivers, she decided to take the initiative to spend more time with her father.
Mina ibizo lami nguBushewe Nkosi Parati, ngintana ka Mr P, driver imchofa. Ngize ngihambe lo date etruckini, ngabona izinto yena nge-point of view yakhe ukuthi kunzima, sometimes kulokuchaza kulokubhowa ngento zangikhona, so it was fun. Sibi into engiyithanda ngobabami ukuthi umuntu wabantu always joyous, athanda ukuhleka la wonke umuntu, like lakathi esinthe ngifika la ngithole exoxa labanye bakhe nje hlale happy noma khona kunzima yabezama la impilo, but he's a hard worker Sibi, because uvuka ngo5 akunzima shem, avuka ekuseni ngo5 ephenduke around 8, so basically angila sikhathi la ngimbona maybe makuthi yabe segula or something, but vele utshone ngekho. So kule ndaba ye-BBC and yona kwaqala ukuchaza, but angabhurakala shem, kwasokubhowa. La ku-IG people are always asking me ukuthi are you that girl wayehamba lo baba ke ngetruck? And I'm like, yeah, that's me. Ngingayenzani? Mele umuntu time to time ukholise la ubona ukuthi kube fun experience. So kathesi lami I'm encouraging abanye ama-peers ami ukuthi mabe labo baba bangama-truck drivers, don't be ashamed of that. Hambe la uyekholisa, hambe Colin Bull. Into engifisela ubabami ukuthi la engathola isikhathi sokuthi sometimes ebe off emsebenzini etshone lathi ezifamily, because
As his daughter, Bushe has learned many core values from her father. Dedication to work is key, as illustrated by Craig in his day-to-day life.
Into yangikhona ifuna umuntu eager to learn, umuntu ofuna ukufunda, ngoba ukudriver is sort of an art, yabo. Ukuthi akuso ukuhambisa imoto from A to B, kulezinye izinto ezi-extra yabuzenza. So njengomuntu nxa different industry, different techniques ozenzayo. Kufana nje ema-truckini ngamvuka ngo4 ekuseni up to 5 ntambama isikhathi sami sokudrive. Then emchoveni ngiqala maybe ngo5 6 ngishayise ngo6:40 ntambama. So into yangikhona kulama tactics are different, what you do, lama distances that you cover. Ngoba i-truck in 8 hours I was just saying I cover maybe 400 to 600 kilometers. Then umchova in 12 hours, 200 to 350 somewhere there. So my tactics are different. Plus umchova you deal with abantu. Yabo. Ngabantu lesikhathi ukuthi umuntu ungena ngo8 wena mele usukela elokishini ngo7:15, but by 8 umuntu yabe sefikile ngabe endaweni yakhe.
Chova Mbaiwa continues to uphold the values set by its founders in 1986. With drivers like Craig and chairpersons like Mr. Moyo, the future of this association is in safe hands as they look to forge a path forward in an industry that's mostly looked down upon.
Ngithanda ukubonga isikhathi sakho. Lokuthi uthanda isitshwala samabele lenhloko.
Yes.
Yeah. Ma umuntu efuna ukuxhumana la ebhuti nje ejabulela istory sakho, inamba yakho uzithi?
Ngu0772 654 600.
Okay.
Then la ku Facebook ngikhona.
La ku Twitter.
La ku Twitter ngikhona okandaba.
Yeah.
Forever foreigner.
Yeah. Okay.
Okandaba.
Kule post line yapha ma-BBC.
Yeah.
Wazizwa njani bhuti?
Hey. Angazi kumbe ukuthi kungami nje uthando lomsebenzi engiyenzayo ngaze bese truckini ngaze bese emshoveni nje into ezinyenzayo ngani ngiyayijabulela nje ngiyathanda umsebenzi engiwenzayo
kule ama-terms eliwasebenzisayo la uthi one way ukulayina one way it means yabuhamba ungela muntu
siyela uveve uyethi abantu beluveve ababuye
town then ukulayina yabulayina then
ulayina so siya erenki nxa ulayina uyabuya ngapha eBelmont uzobamba ilayini then imoto sezivizwe ku-hyper ngama-groups of 5
hayi ngiyayithanda i-system so Principal Mahlangu, please subscribe to Makriza Made Me Cook, but I'll catch you on the next one, and thank you for watching this new first season 2026. Togos.